I have come here today, first time after the film is released. So far, whatever response I have seen it on the internet, or I've seen amazing number of downloads. I have got a lot of fan mails, and I have I got like lot of offers in this like 1 week. There's so many people calling me for work. So I guess I'm here. I'm going to enjoy it today. I'm just going to see what's Hyderabad, how Hyderabad is going to treat me today after the song is released. My previous experience as a, I'll say first as a model, it was really good. Modeling is really fun because you end up meeting all the girls to gossip and to bitch, and once I started acting, I missed the gossiping and bitching because then you are alone in your room with your staff, and once you're shooting, you're not really talking to anyone. So I missed the bitching and gossiping part. And as an actor, you after some time you realize that you spend so much time alone with yourself, and I actually invented myself and I started feeling what I think after I started acting, because you spend so much time in a vanity van or on the set or rehearsing or preparing for a scene that you understand yourself so much better. So I guess acting gives you a lot of time with like a lot of stress and work and happiness and fans, but it gives you actually a lot of time by yourself. He is a really sweet guy. First time I met him, I had no idea about the entire team, who has done what and who has not done what. They were most of the dancers didn't understand my language, and most of the crew was not somebody who I met before, but everybody was so warm, so gentle, and the way they took care of me was like as if I was their own baby. So I had great time shooting with everyone. They all treated me like a child, and my choreographer was a little strict because if I say ki, not this way, he says no, that way only. You will do it very good. Don't worry. Mahesh is an extremely quiet guy. I don't know too much about him because he doesn't talk too much, and uh, he's very polite. I've never ever heard on the set. He will never like speak loudly. He's really polite, gentle, and he's a great dancer. He's a he was there for like few minutes before the shot was getting ready, and in 1 minute he was ready. He's really good. He's a fantastic dancer. He's a great actor. I'm sure you all know that. And it's the first time I saw him acting, and this is the first time I saw him dancing, and I was smitten by his charm. We love bad boys. We like good boys also. You can say that. I did a film really long back. But you can consider it as the first movie because that time I was really young, and I did a film called Indumati, which was really long ago. I haven't seen the song on screen in the theater as yet. I'm gonna go and see the film today in the theater. I have seen the song. I saw the song before the final mix, and I really like the song. I have seen the making of the song, and I've seen some 1 million views on it, so that makes me feel really nice. And there are a lot of people comment on it that who is she, where is she from. A lot of people don't know that I'm Indian. And so there are a lot of people who have a comment, is she from, where is she from, is she Indian or she's not Indian. And so I'm Indian. For all those people who are asking whether I'm Indian or not, I'm very much an Indian. And I'm from Delhi, and now I'm from your city because I'm thinking I'm going to shift to Hyderabad after this song, because I had such a good time shooting with the entire team, and the kind of response you guys give is beautiful. Actually, Puri's a very sweet guy and a very good friend. So I did a song. It was not my intention to do a song in a film. So let's see what I sign next, and you guys will the first one to know. She's definitely hot, the way she looks. She's definitely bubbly. Her face and her hotness doesn't match, I guess, because she talks too much and blah, 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 blah. So when you see her, you might find her hot, but after 2 minutes, you'll understand that oh my gosh, she talks too much. I want to say that I'm gonna come to Hyderabad soon, so make me feel at home and watch this song again and again, and watch movie Businessman over and over and over again. So it's such a big hit that all the directors and producers are forced to get me here. And thank you so much. I feel great in your city every time I come here. Little bit of traffic, but everything else is beautiful. My debut film was Mission Istanbul in Hindi. Then I did a film called Loot, which was released, and you saw a bit of me in guest appearance in Abbas Mastan's Flair. Then there's a song which is right now on air of a film called Chalis Chorasi, and it's a Marathi and a Hindi mixed song. A film which is just released on the 13th itself with Businessman, and my upcoming film which you see in March will be Rakt, which is again a Hindi film, and I hope before that releases I sign the film and finish the film and you guys will see me.